Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a reflection off of a text and video. First I'm going to add in a text here and select add text, and I'm just going to type in a moose. Oops. Let's do that again. Don't know why. I'm just going to move it up here. Actually, I'm going to move it down there in a second. I'm just going to move it down here. Then I'm going to adjust it till the end of the video, kind of. Then I'm going to select both of the video and text, right click, create compound clip, and I'm going to copy and paste that. So copy and paste. And what I'm going to do on the second one is I'm going to move it up like this much, and on this one I'm going to rotate it. So rotate it, like rotate it 180 degrees and put this down here. Then I'm going to select mirror like so, and as you can see it's mirrored. I'm just going to crop out this bit just a little bit. Oops. I think this one needs to be on top of that video. There we go. So I can move it upwards like this. And that is basically it, really. As you can see, it's mirrored. You can also adjust the opacity just a little bit on the second one, like so. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!